My true talents lie in my fanatical cleanliness. You're going to want to stay tuned to the end of this video because I've got a really big transformation in store for you. Really big. Good morning. I'm not even going to tell you what time it is because it's not that early. I'm assuming that a lot of people out there don't like to spend their whole day cleaning their house if they don't have to, and prefer to spend their time in more meaningful ways. Allow me to provide you motivation for when you need it by going full OCD on my home today. We're going to scrub everything till it shines and ignore the things that will not be noticed for another video. So these are my rituals for cleaning my house before guests arrive. I slept really well last night. Have all the cat fur and allergens. Gross. This is what I actually do in a day before a dinner party. I bet you thought I was kidding, didn't you? Dun dun dun. Here we have the detritus of a week. Mostly ends. And we are going to transform this space. First, to make the cleaning solutions I'm going to use, this is everything I'll need. This is rubbing alcohol, super important. This is going to be generic cleaning solution for most of the house, which is water, vinegar, and this amazing smelling essential oil. What is it? I don't know what this is. I think it's lemongrass. I got it in Thailand and it's the best thing I've ever found. Okay, until the vinegar smell is long gone. Okay, how's this gonna smell? Amazing. And for the bathroom, water, and Meyer's dish soap. Okay, let's go. Words of advice for you cleaning your house before a dinner party. Horizontal surfaces. Nobody's gonna notice anything else. Except your toilet. Clean your toilet. Ew! Ah! Not acceptable. We're gonna have to clean the shower and the curtain. Not perfect, but it has been bleached. Like new. My nails are so brittle from cleaning too much in quarantine because it's my instinct. I think I'm gonna need to give myself a manicure after this. Thanks for watching. Except the toilet. Clean your toilet.